Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Saehful Amri. I'm from Vocational Teacher Education Department, Universitas Plasmar, Surakarta. In this session, I would like to presenting my research. It's about educational robotics, evaluating computational thinking roles in the efficacy of the 21st century skills. Let's see the several interest groups such as teacher, educational researchers, policymakers, politicians, businessmen believe that this century will demand a very different set of skills and competence for individuals to be used effectively in the workplace, as citizens, and in the on the other research was conducted on OECD countries in 2009 in policy debate and definition and conceptual frameworks. This is discussing about the importance and relevance of 21st century skills and competence. From this research, we know that the OECD countries in the educational system, they're they're focusing on mastery of 21st century skills. In the other research, Binkley revealed that 21st century skills are also urgently need to be able to develop in the 21st century, because there have been significant changes in the modern economy from manufacturing to information and knowledge services. In the other research, the collaboration for 21st century skills and the assessment and teaching conducted by Cisco, Intel, and Microsoft on 21st century skills project also demonstrate how important the skills are not only by researchers, practitioners. Several researchers revealed that computational thinking is a key skill of the 21st century. The Computer Science Teacher Association in August 2016 released the journal. The name is CSTAK12 Computer Science Standard that revealed that CT is a problem-solving methodology that extends computer science to all scientific disciplines. And there is significant agreement on the benefit of computational thinking as a key skill in various aspects of our society. And Chen also revealed that computational thinking will be a valuable and basic skill used by all people in the world in the middle. How we can learn CT? Several researchers propose many media for learning the CT, but the adoption of robotics has becoming prominent for learning the CT, because learning activities that involves robotics can improve students' fluency and computational thinking. Make students familiar with the concept of computational thinking and integrating problem-solving process in various types of problems. And this is what is the 21st century skills we are chosen according to Binkley and computational thinking according to Admesido. And this is what is vocational education in Indonesia. 20% of the skills are skills that enable students to take advantage of new form of socialization. And vocational secondary education in Indonesia is based on government regulation of the Republic of Indonesia, priorities the preparation of students to enter the workforce. And from this topic, we can we can know the research question. And the number one is how the use of robotics affect the achievement of computational thinking skill in vocational students. And the second number is how the achievement of computational thinking using robotics affect. And data source class 2 student of SMK Negeri 5 Surakarta. Sampling technique purposing. Okay, this is we can see the participant and the profiling, class, gender, department, programming experience, robotics experience. We know from the student A, and this is the observation and interview data. This is table 4.2 result of example of result of observation of the operational skills of the 21st century student A from student A. 4.3 example from observation result of student computational thinking learning process from student A. Interview data and code development. This is the step of the thematic analysis. Table 4.4 student interview result from student A. And this is creativity and innovation. Next, learning to learn, metacognition, the code is B3, critical thinking, problem solving, decision. Next, like this. Data mapping and theme categorization. This is the table 4.5 example of mapping data on student interview result from student A, like this. The composition abstraction. This is the role of using robotics in the achievement of computational thinking skills in this is and in the table 4.7. This is the recap of the result of analysis, human computational thinking, from student A until student A. Next, this is the topic, the discussion topic, the effect of achieving computational thinking skill using robotics and mastery of 20% of the skill. Critical thinking, we use this is the recap of the effect of achieving computational thinking skill using robotics on mastery of 20% of the skills. We know that creativity and innovation has many effects from generalization, and the critical thinking, decision making, problem solving has many effects from abstraction. From this research, we can learn what we learn in computational thinking using robotic based media affect the perception of enthusiasm in choosing a career in STEM field. Creating programs using program development tools and solving them using robotics can help students understand and operational 20% of the skill. And robotics-based activities place learning computational concept and problem-solving techniques and processes. In conclusion, is the use of robotics can facilitate all aspects of computational thinking skill in vocational students, and achieving of computational thinking using robotics plays a role in the achievement of 20% of the skills. And that is my presenting about my research. Hope you enjoying this session.